So here we have something pretty interesting. It's a rubberized lip that's like a stick-on, and I wanted to try this on my 2014 A7, and it's pretty hard to find anything lip-wise for the bumper there. Yeah, it's pretty even under here throughout the whole bottom. So what I'm going to do is just clean it up and try to stick that on. We do have a little bit of a jump right here. It's not that sharp, so it should be good. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So this is 8.2 feet. We can see it's got a really wide tape here that sticks to the bumper. Alright, so the end of it is taped. So essentially this is what it looks like. Again, it's very soft. So this part is going to go stick underneath the bumper, and then this is going to be the lip that's visible. And it looks like it's quite easy to cut, as it is very soft with some scissors if we need it. According to this roll, we will have to start here on the right side, as it'll stick there and go all the way across. So you will need some kind of alcohol or something to wipe the bottom of the bumper, so the double-sided tape sticks really good underneath. Alright, so I cleaned the bottom, and what you do is you kind of see how much you want it to stick out. So the more it comes out, the more you'll see it. So yeah, that's just going to be, depends on your preference. And also, if you have a sharp turn, you might have to make a little cut in for this to bend easier. But on mine, it's pretty smooth, so I don't think I have to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and start sticking it on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so far making pretty good progress. You guys can see them at the middle. We got over the hump here. You can kind of see the tape trying to peel because it's pulling down. But the tape, it does seem to stick pretty decent. But yeah, so far it looks really good. And even the corner is decent here. It's a little bit shy to the edge, but again, there's a compromise there. So overall, it looks good so far. Alright guys, the whole thing is on, and it actually turned out really good. The only thing is, I think I could have done better on the edges here. Maybe cutting it on an angle like this would have been better to make it not look like it's so disconnected. Obviously this gap here, there's nothing I can do here. Yeah, overall still looks really good. It gives it a little bit of a lower stance, and turned out great. So the bottom line is you want to make sure you clean it really well, and then come back and push on the double-sided tape once in a while to make sure it solidifies and sticks really well. And if that doesn't work, then put a few screws in here and there to hold it down. But yeah, overall really like it. Thumbs up for this rubberized bumper lip.